Hi guys! Welcome back to our vlog! It's our 7th day today and oh my gosh, we have come a long way. Kung nandito ka simula sa day 1 or sa pinakalumang videos ko pa from maybe 2 years ago, well, thank you very much for supporting me in this venture of mine. So for tonight, I'm gonna be sharing with you my skincare products, my favorite skincare products. So this is the one that I've been using for some of them more than 5 years, some of them like mga 10 years na since I'm high school. And I always keep on coming back to them. Of course, I would be trying something new every now and then, but I still go back to the same old products kasi dun ako masiyang and dun happy yung skin ko. So, at the moment, kakatapos ko lang mag nighttime skincare routine, guys. And I'm so happy with my skin. So wala pa tayong ginawa dyan sa mukha na to. Okay? Ito po yung natural face natin. Wala pa tong Botox, wala pa tong anything. This is our God-given beauty. Charat! Anyway, let's get started with the skincare products. So, lahat na makikita niyong skincare products dito are Korean skincare products, I think so. And yeah, I think it's all Korean skincare products. No, merong isang hindi Korean skincare products which I have recently tried and I'm really happy with it. So, paubos na siya and soon mag-order na ulit tayo ng bago nating stock. Anyway, let's get on it, shall we? So first off, let's get started with this Miracle Cleansing Bar from Some by Me. So, paano ko ba na-discover tong product na to? Hindi ko maalala. Pero, tinry ko lang siya. And since I tried it, I can't stop using it. So, previously, before using this one, I have a lot of breakouts under my chin. Most of it are from hormones, hormonal breakouts. Because I have a polycystic ovarian syndrome. And so, madalas nagkaka-pimples ako under my chin, lalo na kapag malapit na ako magkaroon ng period. And I noticed with this product, it actually dries up the pimples and the impurities. And the best thing about it is it actually cleanses and wipes out all the products that you have on your face, but at the same time, it doesn't feel drying at all. I also use this one for my whole body, even up to now, especially on my underarm, para matanggal yung deodorant feeling. Like, after ko sabunin yung kilikili ko nito, like, natatanggal yung deodorant feeling. Alam mo yung deodorant feeling na parang may something na, basta alam mo pag may nag-deodorant ka, parang waterproof, water resistant yung kilikili mo. So, this one takes off that feeling. And I used to have back knee as well. I still do. I'll show you. But it's not as bad anymore. It's dried up na. And it's because of this one. I love this soap. So, para mas matipid ko siyang ginagamit, nilalagay ko siya dun sa net soap pouch. And then, pag nilagay mo siya doon, mas madali siyang bumubula. So, konting haplos-haplos lang, ganyan. Kuskus sa kamay. Pahid sa face, and then, ang bula-bula niya na. So, mas tumatagal ang life nito pag may ganon. Compared kung gagamitin mo siya directly sa skin mo or nang walang ganon. Next naman is our facial scrubs. So, I have two types of facial scrubs. So, first off is this one from Acure. So, I just got this one from Amazon. And I was so intrigued bakit sobrang daming positive reviews. Siguro mga 13,000 positive reviews. And like, yung 13,000 na yun is just like 5 or 3% of the total buyers. Kasi hindi naman lagi lahat nag-iiwan ng reviews, di ba? So, it means may 13,000 people na sobrang saya at nag-iwan at nag-take ng time para i-review ang product na to. So, sa pagiging chismosa ng ate girl ninyo, sabi ko, why don't I try it? And oh my gosh, it's really good. So, this one, you can actually feel the exfoliators, yung mga beads. Medyo rough siya, but not rough like the Saint Ives, if you know what I'm talking about. Pero mafe-feel mo na may ganon. Kasi ako, I myself, I like that feeling na parang, may konting, yung talagang mararamdaman mo na kinukuskus yung mukha mo ng something, ng may something. And this one, it's really, really nice kasi yung mga beads niya, mafe-feel mo, pero hindi magaspang yung mga beads niya. It's just good. It gives that good feeling. At the same time, na pag ginamit mo, parang linis na linis talaga yung mga pores mo. So, this one, a cure from Amazon. Next naman that we have is etong black sugar mask wash off. So, bagong try ko lang to. And ito naman yung pa-demure na scrub lang. Ito yung mararamdaman mo na, ay, medyo may mga beads. And then after a while, nawawala na yung nararamdaman mo na yun kasi nagme-melt. Pero this one naman, it actually gives that additional moisturizing feeling after. So, let me show you the texture of, sige, this one na muna. I'll apply a little bit so it looks like that. So, yan siya. And makikita mo, ayan. Can you see? Huh? Can you see the beads? Yan, di ba? Makikita, mafe-feel mo talaga yung ganyan, cleansing effect. Talagang, I love it. So, nagsascrub lang ako ng face. Actually, once or twice a week. So, ito yan. Ito yung Accure natin. Makikita mo, mas malalaki yung beads niya and substantial yung amount niya. And mafe-feel mo talaga. Ganon. I don't know if you can see it very clearly. Anyway, I hope nakikita ninyo. That's Accure. And then, ito naman, black sugar scrub from Skin Food. Gamitin natin yung wet wipes natin. Ito yung pa-cutie patuti lang na pa-cutie patuti lang na scrub. So, ito yung itsura niya. As you can see, bago-bago pa siya. But I also like this. Ayan, nakikita niyo ba yung mga beads? Mga sugar. This one is black sugar. So, yan. May mararamdaman mo naman din yung mga scrubbing beads niya. Pero, yun nga, as I've said, nagme-melt eventually sa water. So, yeah. So, between the two, this one is the Cutie Patootie, and this one is the Big Mama scrub. Next one naman that we have on the list is our Hyaluronic Toner Essence. Power Essence. Power Essence. So this one is from the brand CosRX, and I've been using this one for more than 5 years now. And I really like it. It's very light. So I use this one like as a base of my skin prior to putting my moisturizer, my main moisturizer. So I've got two moisturizers. One is a day moisturizer and one is a night moisturizer. So I'll share with you first my night moisturizer. So this is from the brand Hamish. It's the Marine Care Deep Moisturizing Melting Cream. So this one, it's very thick, and at first I thought na it's gonna be like too much for my skin, but I don't know, since I have really a dry skin more than anything, so it's a combination of dry and normal. So before, I always have a flakiness happening in my face. And whenever I put foundation on, oh my gosh, it's really bad. Like you can see it worsen. And talagang nagfi-flake. Parang may snowing na nagaganap sa mukha ko. Ganon siya ka-dry. Lalo na sa forehead area ko. And dito sa may mga gilid ng nose ko and gilid ng lips. So, how did I come across with this product is, alam niyo, pag umorder kayo ng mga Korean products, di ba? Lagi silang may binibigay ng mga sample na maliliit na pouches. And then, one of them is this one. And I tried it. And the next day when I woke up, oh my gosh, parang puwet ng baby. Noon ko lang na-experience na ganun ka-soft and ka-supple yung skin ko. The next day, guys, umorder agad ako. And from then on, hindi ko na siya tinigilan gamitin. It's very moisturizing. Kahit na nandiyan ka sa tropical area, tropical place in the Philippines, gamitin mo pa rin siya. I'd still highly recommend this one. And it's actually very good, especially if you have dry skin. Like, there was a time that I've already been using this, and then I switched to another moisturizer, and oh my gosh, yung mga lines ko dito sa forehead, lumalim sila. Sobrang dry. And then, bumalik ako dito. Best thing ever happened to me. And I am currently, how old am I na? 34 years old. And awa ng Diyos, wala pa naman tayo dito mga crow's feet. Wala pa tayong super visible sign of aging and wrinkles. And it's thanks to this amazing Korean products. So, pag hindi tinatamad ang lola ninyo, ay nag-washa rin tayo. Konting mas magandang mag-washa habang after mong mag-apply nitong melting cream na to, kasi talagang, oh my gosh, yung hagod ng guasha mo, iba. Iba. So, pag nag-guasha ako, ganito lang, yan. 10 lang na ganito. And then, pinaplansya ko rin tong eye bags ko dito ng ganyan. Plansya. And then, yung pisngi ko daw, para daw mas tumodo pa yung jaw ko. Ginagalan ko rin dito. Para magkaroon pa tayo ng madaming pangalalo. Then, dito naman, sa forehead, ganyan lang. Circular motion lang. Para ma-delete, ma-erase yung mga lines dyan. Ganyan. Maglaho kayo. May kasamang dasal. Ganyan. Maglaho kayo. Char. Anyway, that is for our nighttime skin routine. Daytime comes, and really in the morning, I would just wash my face with plain water because I don't want the nutrients and my natural oil to completely go away. So, water lang, and then I would put this hyaluronic moisturizing intensive cream naman in the morning. So, the consistency of this is, it's very light, not as heavy duty talaga tong Age, guys, talaga. But this one, it's very light. I'd suggest if you're living in a hotter area, use this. Pero me, I'm using still this heavy moisturizer on a 40 degrees temperature here in Australia. Guys, pag summer dito, ginagamit ko pa rin to. And pag summer dito, sobrang init. Katulad kanina, guys, 42 degrees. I almost melted. Sana man lang yung mga taba ko natunaw, kaso hindi. Anyway, after natin maglagay ng moisturizer na to, pinatutuyo ko lang saglit yung face ko. So habang pinapatuyo ko, paglagay ko nito, then I would make our bed kung wala na dun si babe. And then pagkatapos kong gawin yung bed, tuyo na siya, then I will put on my Misha BB cream. I am using the shade 27. And oh my gosh, this product, I've been using this since I'm in high school. And guys, sabi ko nga sa inyo, 34 years old na ako, and I always come back to this one. Why? Guys, sobrang cost-effective. Kahit estudyante, ma-afford to. And also, it has SPF 50, so dual purpose. This is also my sunblock na everyday. And also, not SPF 50, SPF 42 lang pala. Sorry naman, plus, plus, plus. And then, it acts as my moisturizer and sunblock and foundation. So, 3 in 1 na siya. And this um, bottle, or however you want to call this packaging, this one lasts me up to 6 months with the daily usage of it. So I would just put one pump and then put it like small dots around my face and then use a brush to spread it. And yeah, this one is, out of all the products that I have, this one is the one that's the longest. And it really looks very natural when you put it. So it's light coverage. I wouldn't say it's buildable. So it's only light coverage, perfect for your daily usage. So yeah, that's it for our 7th day of vlogging. I hope na may itry kayo dito sa mga products na to. These products are not sponsored. I wish someday magkaroon tayo ng sponsors. But until then, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!